Hey guys, it's Philip from Babs Honda Repair, and I appreciate you tuning in for the episode. Today I'm just going to demonstrate removing the crank pulley off of a K-Series motor. This is K24 in this case. But I'm going to be using my Milwaukee impact and a Lisle weighted socket. This is 19mm weighted socket. You can get this on eBay or Amazon, what have you. And then you can get the Milwaukee impact at various places such as Home Depot or online from like Milwaukee.com. So I'm just going to give you a quick demonstration on how well this works. If you've ever tried to remove a crank pulley from a K-Series motor, you know it can be pretty difficult. They're pretty tight. So we're just going to go through a quick demonstration of this. My battery is pretty much fully charged. I have used this some since the last charge, but yeah, we'll get to it. Alright, so this is a 2005 Honda CRV, but any K-Series should look essentially the same as this with your crank pulley on the right side of the vehicle. It's a 19mm right here, and they're always fairly tight. Now you can use the conventional crank pulley removal tool such as this and put it on here with some breaker bars and you can get it off, but it's kind of difficult. So like I said, we're just gonna hit it with our impact here. I've got it on the last setting, which is for removal. I have not touched this. I haven't put no lubricant on it, no heat, anything. Bingo. Simple as that. So guys, you can see the Milwaukee impact with the Lisle weighted socket made this like clockwork. It was easy, super easy. If you've ever fought one of these, you know how much this is a valuable tool to have in a shop where you're constantly doing this kind of stuff. So if you're in the market to get a crank removal tool for a Honda and you're constantly messing with these K-Series or any B-Series, F-Series, any of those that use 19mm crank pulley, bolt, I would highly recommend the Lisle socket and the Milwaukee impact. Piece of cake. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Hope to see you on the next one. If this video was helpful to you, make sure you hit that like button. Give me a comment, know what you liked about the video. Also, if you'd like to see more DIY Honda repair in the future, make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit the bell so that you get notifications. Thanks for tuning in. Hope to see you on the next one. Peace.